All right, so I recently did a video on the Heritage Air Jordan 1s, and it's a colorway that I really like, but it is one that I felt had the opportunity to be able to customize because you have the perfect base for customization with a mostly white canvas that you can alter in some way, shape, or form. So I chose to go ahead and try to do a custom on these in a bread toe fashion because honestly, it was pretty simple. You just had to color a couple parts of the shoe to make the transformation. And let's go ahead and show you guys what we did. All right, so as you can see, the results are in. Leave a comment and let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about my custom, and drop a like on the video if you guys like that I took my Heritage pair and kind of transformed it for you guys and for myself. But really, I wanted to show you guys what it could look like if you guys did paint this shoe up a little bit. And you can see basically I just did around the toe box, through the laces, and I decided to do the swoosh as well. Now, if you see regular pictures of the real bread toes, one thing that is different is the tongue is not white. It is black, and I chose to leave it white in this version just because I liked the look of it. Also, there is the black toe version. So the black toes and the bread toes look very similar. The two major differences that I see between the bread toes and the black toes: the bread toes have red instead of white for the perforation and the toe box of the shoe here. And then the tongue is black on the bread toes. It is white on the black toes. So because of this being white here, you could actually just go one step further and paint the toe box to be white if you wanted to do like a black toe. You do have a different color, I think, variation for the Nike Air on the tongue. At the end of the day, though, you could also probably turn this into a bread one as well. The thing I like about this is it's just pretty much an open canvas, and the fact that most of this upper is white, and you can transform the other parts whatever color you want, and you have a red outsole on the bottom of the shoe, and you're playing with Jordan primary colors, which is something that I really dig. And to show you guys, I've done a couple different customs with Air Jordan 1s. This one was a satin one, and I decided to go ahead and throw down some red on it instead. Try to mix it up a little bit, and I like the results. I think it came up pretty nice here. And this one I decided to customize as well. I believe it was just the back section here that was white, and I decided to make it kind of the same color blocking as this one. So it's kind of fun to be able to just mix and match colors and kind of just create something unique and fun for yourself. I also did like a Chicago one from like the Bloodlines and stuff, if you guys remember that video. But anyways, what would you guys do with this Heritage? Would you leave it plain? Would you go ahead and try to customize it a little bit? A couple things I would have done different. One, I would have had a fresh new thing of paint from Angelus. I'll link it in the description if you guys are interested and copping some Angelus paint supplies because it's the best on the market. Honestly, you kind of need it. But anyway, the black that I had was kind of goopy and thicker than what I would have preferred. And because of that, mixed with the crappy brushes that I use, which again, you should just buy the base ones from Angelus, not like the dollar ones from Amazon, which is what I did. It came on a little thicker, and it didn't paint on as perfect as I would have liked. So those are two mistakes that I made. Definitely need to re-up on my Angelus supplies. Other than that, the other thing that you can do is the piping along the shoe. You could see kind of a little bit of a red silhouette on the back of the swoosh. I actually don't mind that, obviously, because the shoe is black and red. So, like, honestly, it's not that big of a deal. But if you don't like that, you can take like a toothpick or whatever and do the piping of the shoe as well if you wanted to paint it. I kind of liked it the way it was. But you guys can go in and do your details. I was just kind of showing you what you could potentially do. I'm sure a lot of you guys can actually do a better job than what I did. But big shout out to Sneaker Twitter for giving me the Heritage ones. Honestly, BRED TOEs are like $500 and you can customize your own version of them. It's not the same thing, but it's kind of a play on of it. It's kind of fun to be able to create it. And this one is coming in probably close to $200 or less because the resale on the Heritage ones is not really high. Anyways, if you guys want to buy a pair of Heritage ones, I will link them over in the description to eBay, so check that out if you guys want. Anyways, thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, please drop a like on the video. It means a lot when you guys do that. Also, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and yada yada yada. Anyway, have a good weekend. Yeah, well, I'll catch you guys hopefully for some more videos soon. All right, peace guys.